Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Kitty in my pocket.
Well, let's take a look at it.
Hey, can you get ready faster with a brush and one bowl of food, please?
You mean you get the assistant to get you the
Yeah, assistant.
bowl?
I'll go get the assistant. Okay, just kidding.
Yeah, someone to help you.
Assistant. He can walk by himself. Let him walk by himself. Assistant.
Yeah. Well, come on. The brush and the bowl is on the way.
The brush and the bowl, both of them, please.
Yeah, they are on the way.
Okay, I'll give you this box. I'm gonna turn the back
You can
around.
unpack it now.
Here, Joe. Okay, I'll unpack it. Why are you taking so long? Stop! Why are you taking so long?
Because we are busy in studio number 3.
It's number 2, not number 3, silly. You're stick by. You're so silly. It's supposed to be studio 2. You're in studio 2. You're not in studio 3. Did you know that?
Yeah. Hey, I'm a white guy. You want this one? You want this bowl?
You're not white.
I'm transparent.
You're
And you want this
transparent.
brush?
We need the brush and the bowl.
Okay, I'm going to take it to you now. Get it to you now.
Put it down. Like this brush is camouflage. All the kittens steal the brush, so it's camouflage. You can't see it. Only I see it. Because they're kittens. You know they don't see anything like colorful or something. So what color is those kittens? Oh, it's not purple. It's blue. I'm so silly.
It's a series 2 as well.
It's blue. It's not purple. Yay! We got a blue one. We got pink, blue, and yellow. No, pink, blue, and purple. We don't need that. We need that. Say we need it. Let's pull the kittens out. Oh no, we have a lot of duplicates. We have this one.
I like the chocolate one. I always love chocolate.
Chocolate makes you sick. Even better. Look, my friend Beatrice told me that when she ate so much chocolate, she gets sick every time she eats one chocolate. I don't get sick if I eat that one chocolate.
We love chocolates. Hey guys, you love chocolates?
I like Kinder Chocolate and the Kinder Chocolate bar. That's the best. With milk inside. And let's open it first. We already opened it. Let's pop those kitties out.
And you like the chocolate? Not just chocolate. They also put some nuts. Wow, how you call that? Nutella, right?
Nutella.
You know where's Nutella from?
Germany.
Italy, actually, originally from Italy, but Germany eat a lot too.
Oh. I don't know it. We got this one before. We got that one before.
Yeah, it's okay. So, you got duplicates.
And we can paint it.
You can do a lucky draw, and kids pick a number.
Hey, I'll go get the bag. The pink one is over there. So my parent is gonna get it. Just okay.
Who are your parents?
I cannot tell you because it's a secret. I don't want you to laugh. This is a lucky bag. I quite can't see you, so this is lucky bag. Let me do the lucky pie. It's 1 to 30. Let's see what I get. I was doing like this in the bag and then pick one up because I don't want to make the same. I'll pick this one.
Number 1.
10. Hey, give me the Rubik's Cube. Number 10 is Rubik's Cube. Okay, don't need that yet. Okay, I got the Rubik's Cube. Let's do it.
What a kitten it.
I did it! I did the green one!
Good.
It's free. the blue one. Okay. This whole thing has all the blues. This one has one blue. This one has two blues. Okay, done. We don't need the Rubik's Cube. So here's the kitchen. We can take a close up. Get up! This witch kitten is inside the bag. This witch kitten is inside the bag. Do you trust that?
No, we don't believe it.
Yes, it is. It's real. Look.
Oh.
Put it in the tray.
Is it magic?
Yeah. Like. Did you take that thing out from the bag already? Have you already do like this?
Catch it.
We did not catch the kitty. We just used our hands to hold the kitty, like. So it's upside down. Let's put it down now. Okay. Is it real that? Is it true?
Maybe.
Watch this.
Wow.
Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.